What's going on, everybody? This is Ron with That's Mercy. We're getting ready to load up that trailer over there, a few of my rigs. But before we get started, I promised another Patreon over on YouTube to give him a shout out because I guess he's not getting enough attention. He's getting a little bit jelly. His name is Jeff over at Custom Crawlerz. Go give him a look and see what you think of his builds. Because as soon as I went on his channel the other day and questioned one of his D5 dozers, when he hot glues it, how is he going to replace the parts when they break? And he's, within minutes, a troll came over on my channel and hit about 17 different videos, about 20 different nasty comments, and then about just as many thumbs down. So I went to check him out on his channel, and all of a sudden I called him out on it, and he was trying to backtrack, and he started typing in with the same troll name under his own channel, saying, oh, what nice builds and everything he had. I won't come forward, but the poor guy needs some help. I mean, maybe if he watches enough of us building these conversions, he might learn something. Thanks for watching. That's Mercy. I'll follow the center of the track. Yep, right there. It's crazy turning radius with that trailer.